The action camera world just got louder, sharper, and smarter with the arrival of the GoPro Hero 14. But is it really the ultimate upgrade or just another yearly refresh? In this review, we'll break down the design changes, the performance improvements, and the new features that GoPro has packed into this latest beast. From stunning low-light shots to unbelievable stabilization, the Hero 14 is aiming to set a new standard. We'll also test how it handles in real-world action, because specs on paper don't always tell the full story. If you're a content creator, traveler, or adrenaline junkie, this camera might just be your new best friend. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's find out if the GoPro Hero 14 is truly worth your money. Video features and resolution options. The GoPro Hero 14 pushes the limits of portable video, recording with support for 8K video at 30 frames per second and 4K at up to 240 frames per second for ultra-smooth slow motion. HyperSmooth stabilization has reached a new generation, offering gimbal-like steadiness even during intense action shots. Time warp, horizon lock, and cinematic shooting modes all see enhancements that allow creators to experiment with more professional-style footage. The ability to record in higher bit rates ensures more detail is preserved, appealing to professional editors. Display and user interface. The Hero 14 introduces a brighter, higher-resolution front display, making vlogging and framing shots much easier. The rear touchscreen has been enhanced with better responsiveness and smoother navigation. GoPro has optimized the interface so settings are quicker to access, reducing the time needed to prepare for a shot. Swipes, taps, and menu navigation feel more fluid than ever before. Camera performance and image quality. At the core of the Hero 14 is an upgraded sensor capable of capturing sharper, more detailed footage even in challenging lighting conditions. Low light performance sees a noticeable improvement, producing less grain and more accurate colors. The addition of higher dynamic range support ensures highlights and shadows retain better detail. Still images also benefit from the boost in megapixels, delivering photos that are crisp enough for professional use while remaining easy to share on the go. Connectivity and software integration. The GoPro Hero 14 strengthens its position as a creator's companion by refining connectivity features. Faster Wi-Fi transfers, smoother Bluetooth pairing, and a more intuitive app experience make editing and sharing videos less of a hassle. Cloud uploads are faster, and GoPro software now offers AI-powered editing suggestions that help creators put together polished clips with minimal effort. Live streaming is supported at higher resolutions, giving content creators more flexibility to broadcast their adventures in real time. Design and build quality. The GoPro Hero 14 stays true to the iconic GoPro look while refining some of the finer details. It is slightly more compact yet feels sturdier in hand compared to its predecessors. The materials used in the casing provide excellent grip and durability, making it a reliable choice for extreme environments. The waterproof rating has been improved, offering better sealing against water, dust, and harsh weather conditions, which will be a welcome upgrade for divers, surfers, and outdoor adventurers. Accessories and ecosystem. One of the biggest strengths of GoPro is its wide ecosystem of accessories, and the Hero 14 is compatible with most existing mounts while introducing new modular add-ons. Improved microphone mods, extended battery packs, and lens attachments allow users to customize their setup for different shooting styles. Whether you're into underwater shooting, mountain biking, or cinematic filmmaking, the Hero 14 adapts seamlessly. Battery life and efficiency. Battery performance has been one of the main concerns with action cameras, and the Hero 14 addresses this with a redesigned power management system. Despite the increase in processing power and higher resolution recording, the camera manages longer shooting times per charge. Quick charging support allows the battery to refill faster, making it more practical for travelers and content creators who are always on the move. Conclusion: the GoPro Hero 14 is not just an incremental upgrade. It feels like a leap forward in terms of video quality, stability, and usability. Its combination of 8K recording, improved stabilization, better low-light performance, and extended battery life makes it an impressive tool for professionals and casual users alike. The refined user interface and advanced connectivity options ensure that creators can focus more on capturing moments rather than dealing with technical hurdles. For anyone serious about action filmmaking, travel vlogging, or high-quality adventure recording, the GoPro Hero 14 stands out as one of the most powerful and versatile action cameras ever made. It continues the legacy of GoPro while setting a new benchmark for what's possible in such a compact device. Thank you for watching VidGuide. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and share your thoughts. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews, guides, and more exciting content. Join the VidGuide community and stay ahead of the game. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep the adventure alive with VidGuide. See you in the next video.